Hey guys, this is my brother's bike check. It's a Freecoaster bike. So starting off from the front, we have ODI bar ends, blue random grips, S&M Grand Slam bars, some random top load stem from a specialized fuse, Hero X2 frame, rodded myself. It's not completely done, so there's still a bit of orange color. It's not rust, it's just dark frame color. FSA headset, specialized fuse forks, painted to black. Sun front hub, it's a sealed hub with a sun front rim, 48 holes. Maxxis tire, I don't know what it is, it's pretty skinny. Stolen plastic seat with stolen seat clamp. Specialized fuse, chromoly 3-piece cranks. It's just some random silver cranks. Have a Verde sprocket in the back. It's a Federal version 1 Freecoaster with a 1664 double wall rim. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole bike. It's not that heavy, and it's pretty cool because it's a Freecoaster, and it looks pretty clean, so I like it.